How to create a professional email with Hostinger. Welcome to today's video on creating a professional email with Hostinger. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up a professional email address and configure your email settings to ensure seamless communication with your clients and colleagues. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a Hostinger account. Go to the Hostinger website, click on the Email tab, and select the plan that suits your needs. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand, and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you've signed up, log in to your Hostinger account and navigate to the Email section. Click on Create Email and select the type of email account you want to create. You can choose from a range of options, including a standard email account or a more advanced option like a business email account. Next, you'll need to set up your email settings. This includes configuring your SMTP server, setting up your email signature, and adding a domain to your email account. Don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. We'll walk you through each step in detail. To configure your SMTP server, click on the SMTP tab and enter your server details. Make sure to note down your SMTP server address, port number, and authentication details. Now, let's talk about email signatures. An email signature is a great way to add a personal touch to your emails and include important contact information. To set up your email signature, click on the Email Signature tab and add your name, title, and contact information. Finally, let's add a domain to your email account. This will ensure that your email address looks professional and includes your domain name. To add a domain, click on the Domain tab and enter your domain name. That's it. With these simple steps, you can create a professional email with Hostinger. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials.